So today on the Dawkins Farm Adventures, we have a friend over, Jack's friend from school and church, Abel, and they are off on a fishing adventure to the pond. All right, boys, where are y'all going after today?
Bass.
Oh, you think we'll catch some bass, huh? We've had some success on our fishing adventure. Good job, Abel.
Thanks.
Where'd you catch them on?
Catch them right there on
Right
this.
there? What kind of lure?
I'm not sure. I just found it in my tackle box. So.
All right, a little blue worm thing.
Yeah. I almost caught.
All right, looking good.
Yeah. Thanks.
We've had quite a few nibbles and a few bites.
And almost a giant bass.
And Luke almost got one in. This is the first one in. Good job.
Thanks.
Oh, look, the cows have joined us in the lake.
So this is what a minnow trap looks like. Well, there's different kinds of minnow traps. This is a metal minnow trap. If I can get it to do get up.
So in the trap, you didn't even put any bait. You just put it in a good place.
Oh wait, there's a fish. One of the fish right here.
And look at that. You have 3 little minnows.
No, 4. This one.
Okay, you get one more.
These
Let's see.
They're little tiny perch.
Little tiny perch. And another
And we're
one.
gonna put them in my aquarium.
No, but you can use them to fish. See if you can catch something.
But this little
Y'all
guy.
want any live bait?
Yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, but this guy's a little too skinny. Get your live bait. Your bait.
All right, what'd you get?
I got a fish.
What kind?
A bass.
Ooh, nice.
Think about the size of the other one.
Yep, I think so. Ooh, very nice.
On the same lure that you caught yours on.
All right, what kind of lure is the hot lure for today?
This
These
one.
little blue
Devils.
devils?
I don't even know. I'm just naming it.
You're naming it. They probably have a name. We'll look it up in a little bit. Nice, Jack.
Do you see this on the tail? See how it's all messed up?
Oh, yeah.
That means he's been fighting.
Okay, good to know. Boys, so this is our catch of the day.
Yep.
We got 2 bass and a couple of minnows. But it's 95 degrees and 3 to 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Not too shabby.
But it's a nice.
Have a
This
catch.
one's cold.
All
And
right.
This one's even colder.
Put them in the cooler and Dad will fillet them up tonight.
Okay.
Get him. Was it him?
Is there anything in there?
All right, you gotta throw it in another spot then. But hold on to the end.
Wait, do you catch fish like this?
Yeah, what's in that? I come over here. So, but when I kind of how they do. There's something alive under there.
Whoa.
Oh, there's a turtle. There's a giant turtle under here. Okay. I think this is a nutting stone. See? You can tell because the outsides are white. I think that's a nutting stone.
Hold it down a little. Look in your face. Hold it down. That fin,
tiny.
and inside that fin, and then stop right before you cut all the way through, okay? Yep. Mm-hmm.
Like, I can't see still.
Nope, deeper. Mm-hmm. Okay. Right there. Then you flip him over. And then you take your knife. But not so much, not so much.
Can we see what they've been eating?
Then you take this, and you kind of work your.
That's a fillet.
Yep. There's not much meat on these little basses. but work it back around. And you're cutting the meat off. Okay. But don't, you know. There you go. You're gonna have to put a little force into it, not a ton. Oh, yep, you're all right. Let's see here. Because you kind of have to work it down along those bones. There, you want to finish it out? Don't cut all the way through. There. Oop. It's okay.
Ribs.
Yeah, ribs. Grasshopper. See it?
It's not a bad.
Mm-hmm.
It probably fell into the water and
Something else in here. Let me see.
Look at the fish. Could be more minnow.
Watch out, Luke.
It's a stick. What is that?
Well,
Beetle of some sort?
yeah, what's left of some
Frog?
perch, something. Bugs. Alright.
Thanks for watching our
Catch and Clean video.
Subscribe, like the video and hit the notification bell if you like this video. Peace.